What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Coop straps from Sweets Kendamas. These Coop straps were just released a week or two ago, and they're made by Cooper Eddie. I just got this package in the mail yesterday, so I thought I'd unbox it really quickly for all of you guys who don't know what the Coop strap is, or if you're going to get one yourself. Also, shout out to everyone competing in NAKO. I'm not competing this year, but good luck to everyone that is competing. Alright, now that we got the camera flipped around, let's start the unboxing. Peel this right here. Maybe we need some scissors. NAKO card happening right now on Twitch. Here's the receipt of which one I got. I got the Coop strap Kendama holster in the black colorway. There's also the white one, but I chose to get the black one. Comes with 2 Kendama stickers. And here's the Coop strap in this nice little packaging. Here's what it says on the back if you want to read it. Here's the other side. It says Coop strap on the top. And I guess you just open it, rip it open like this. A freshness seal. Okay. That's all. This is what the Coop strap looks like. Looks really high quality. Nice little clip to put on your pants. You can also attach like other things like your keys, your car keys. So it serves as like a multi-purpose holster, which is pretty cool. And then here's the buckle where you unbuckle it. Just put on your kendama here. Let me grab my Coop mod. And I think you just put it around like this. And first you have to make sure that it's like securely on the tama, that it doesn't move or fall out. And then you just put it on like this, on like that. You snap it on, and that's basically it. Then you use the clip to clip onto your pants. Yeah. Looks like a really high quality Kendama holster. Shout out to Cooper Eddie for making these. If you didn't know, he used to make these all by hand on his Made by Coop Instagram page where he sold a bunch of them. But now they're finally being mass produced on Sweets Kendamas for everyone to get. So yeah, really excited to use this on the go whenever I'm out. Yeah. So yeah, that does it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know more video ideas, as I always say. And we're almost at 100 subscribers, so I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and comment down below. And yeah, that does it. See you guys later.